Hey Disney fans, we are here inside Disneyland. We are here to do the Eggstravaganza, which started today and goes all the way until Easter. So we're gonna be sharing with you guys our whole journey to do the Eggstravaganza, and I'm gonna have all the details for you guys on where you can pick up your maps and all of that good stuff in the caption below. So let's go. All right, we made our way down Main Street and we are getting our egg map here at Plaza Point, and that is the holiday store down at the very end of Main Street. They actually have some really cute photo ops you can see behind us, but we're gonna go grab our map and then start looking for some eggs.
Okay.
So, I don't know, so we gotta look for an egg around here. Oh, girls, I found him. You found him? Look at, we found Mickey!
Can you help me put Mickey on?
Yeah, so now we gotta find our sticker and put him on there.
I already
Got it?
Oh wait, I did.
Rory, good job spotting Mickey. All right, next we are looking around Big Thunder Railroad. You see him?
I see him.
Okay, go in front, let's show us where it's at.
Okay, I see him. Goofy.
There's Goofy up there. We found the Goofy egg. All right, good eyeballs, Emma.
Okay guys, so we wanted to show you that we so far have found two characters, Mickey and Goofy. So we're gonna try our best to look for the other 10 of the characters.
Yep.
That's gonna be a lot. I don't know if we can do it, but we'll try our best.
All right, next up we're at Harbor Galley, and there is another hidden egg around here somewhere. You guys see a hidden egg anywhere?
Oh yeah, right there. I saw.
Yes, you guys found it.
That's up first.
Let's go find. Wait, is that Chip or Dale?
Chip.
Chip, how do you know?
Because it has a black nose.
Chocolate chip nose. There he is. Okay, so we are at Harbor Galley, so you gotta find Harbor Galley on there.
Oh, I see it. Right next to Goofy.
Perfect, yep.
One next to Goofy. We found 3 eggs.
Okay, our next spot to look for eggs brings us to Hungry Bear Restaurant, and Miss Emma actually already found Pluto.
I see Pluto.
There he is. We've got Pluto over here at Hungry Bear Restaurant.
Now we have 4 eggs, and they're really hard to find.
Now you gotta put your stickers on. All right, our next egg takes us way back to the corner of Critter Country at Pooh's Corner. So we're looking around for an egg here at Pooh's Corner.
He doesn't know
Any luck yet, girls?
Oh, I see it.
Oh, way over there. We are looking way over there. All right, we're gonna go get an up close view. All right, there she is, right there. Do you guys know who that is?
No? Oh, Bambi?
That's Thumper.
Oh, yeah, Bambi's the deer. Thumper's the bunny.
Yeah.
That's not Bambi.
No, but we found Thumper, huh? All right, you guys. Woo! We found Thumper right over there. Thumper's way up there hiding.
7 more to go.
Rory, what are you telling him?
We got 7 more to go on our stickers.
7 more. Oh my gosh. All right, are we gonna finish it?
I want to, but I don't know.
I don't know either. Next stop takes us to Pioneer Mercantile right here in Frontierland, and there should be an egg around here somewhere. You guys see an egg anywhere?
Oh, right there. Minnie.
Oh, nice! She found Minnie. See Minnie right there? Okay, so we are about halfway done with the egg hunt, but we're gonna let you guys find the rest. The great thing about this is you can purchase your map at the beginning of the day, and then you have all day to find your eggs. They're all over the parks, so you don't have to go and just go on an egg hunt. You can enjoy your day and find them, or you can specifically come like we did for the egg hunt and just look for eggs. So it's been a nice little walk around the park, and we've been finding eggs, and the girls picked out their eggs already. We did that at the beginning. but you can always find all your eggs first and then go collect your little commemorative egg. So if you guys do this, let us know. Have fun.